Alright, so I was taking apart my 2005 R1 Yamaha Stator. I took out the generator wheel right here, and this little fucking bushing fell in there, so I got this little claw to try to get it out, and I can't seem to find it. So I drained all the oil, and I can't see where the fuck it's at. It's not in here. I 100% dropped it in here. I saw it fall, and I tried to get it with my finger, but my finger was too small. Too big. That might be it right there. Is that it right there? That looks kind of like it. And I have no clue how to get that piece out. I don't even know what to take apart. I'm not trying to do this. This was supposed to be a simple fucking fix. And here we are. So, I drained all the oil. And I'm gonna see if maybe that's it down there. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright, so I ended up getting the plastic rubber piece that goes behind this flywheel out. I had to take off the entire oil pan, which sucks, which meant I had to take off the exhaust here. So I'm going to give you guys some pointers, things that are important before you do this. When you take this cover off, right here, unscrew this piece right here, this center piece, and you can put a screwdriver in here to make sure that the pieces behind here don't come out. When you put it back in, you can't really see, but this gear right here has to match with the other gear. There's no timing on here, so you could put it in any way you need to put it in, but this needs to be completely flush with the casing. If it's sticking out, this cover is not going to go on. So you can hammer it back with a little rubber mallet, just hit it right here, and it should go in. But the gears have to match in between there. So that little gear right here, and you can't see it, but there's another gear back there. So just make sure that you don't drop anything underneath there. If you do drop something underneath there, it just goes straight to the oil pan. So you know that if you drop something in there, you'll have to take the oil pan off, but you'll get to it. It's not the end of the world. I was pretty nervous that shit was going to be messed up, but it wasn't. I just took the oil pan off and there it was. So I'm going to put this all back together, and if you have any questions, just comment and I'll try to answer them.